today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to add transition to your video. Transition makes your video good to the eyes, makes the viewer glued. So as a content creator, this is one of the editing skills you should also know, okay, and start incorporating it in your video. So continue watching as I walk you through. So the first thing you are going to do is to go to InShot app. You tap to open. So once you open the app, I have the video already. You must have splitted the video for you to be able to add transition. Okay, let me show you an example of what I meant. So go to video, tap on the video. So I have the video already in the InShot app. I also have a tutorial on how you can split your video, because for you to add transitions to your video, you must have edited and splitted your video. Like you must have cut out unwanted places, splitted your video, so that way you can be able to add transition, because you're going to add transition to the particular place you splitted. Now, this is the video I want to use for this particular tutorial. Let's tap to open. Okay, this is the video. As you guys can see, I've splitted the video. This is the first split. Okay, this is the second split, and this is the third split. Okay, at the point of splitting your video is where you can be able to add transition to your video. Okay, so if we play this video like this, okay, and when it gets to this particular point where you splitted the video, all you need to do is just to tap on this icon, this icon that is on the splitted area. Once you tap on it, you're going to see transition. Here are different transitions. We have the basic, the other type of transition, which are premium, like you have to pay for it for you to use other ones. But we have the free ones here, and that is what we're going to be going for. Okay, so let me go with this particular transition. Okay, once you get to the area that your video was splitted, just tap the particular transition you want. Take for instance, I want this transition, then I tap on it. This is the effect it's going to give to our video, okay, to move to the next slide. This is the effect it will give to the video. Then you can go to this icon and tap. So let's play the video. Change your photo, especially if you're a content creator. This is what... So that is an example of a transition, and you can apply it to all other slides. We're going to choose another type of transition. Go to this point, you tap on the point. You're going to see different transition. Let's use another type of transition. Okay, let's use this particular one. Tap on this. Create a good. So if you want to know, so let's play this to do, so that it can help you to create a good. So if you want to know how to change your photo background, like, so that's basically how you can add transitions to your videos. So we have 3 different points here. Let's add to this last one. And let's add this. I think this is also free. Initially taken. So let's play it. And the photo was initially taken. This is a video or tutorial you want to watch today. So that's basically how you can add transition to your video. Your video should be splitted so that you can be able to add transition to your video. Okay, so that is just a simple tutorial on how to add transition to your video. So as a content creator, you should know how to add transition to your video. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you got value from this, don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.